Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are here watching this video, you probably want to know how to order from Meesho. You haven't ordered yet. So let me tell you how it works. So I have the Meesho app opened. Let's see how you're gonna place the order. So open your Meesho app. Go here, you can see the products which are just scroll down and see the products. If you want to search by category, select the categories at the bottom and go to any of the categories which you are interested in. Suppose you select this Jaipuri dress. You open the dress. For this example, I have just opened the first item that I saw. Here you will be able to see multiple colors or patterns available from that seller. So if you want to purchase this item, and so just click on the pattern you are most interested in. Suppose I am interested in this one, which is over here. I open the item, and you can see all the description of the product over here. Product details and everything are there on the screen. At the bottom you can also see whether cash on delivery is available on it, and the written policies and everything. So if you want to add this product to your cart, you have to select add to cart. So you can see here, as one of the item, another item was already there in my cart. It is giving a pop-up like whether you want to remove that item or not. So if you want to remove that item and put this item in your cart instead, you will have to select yes. So this happens when you are trying to order from multiple sellers. It doesn't allow it. You can only order from the same seller in one go. So if you try to add another item from this seller, you will be able to do so. So this time it let you add both the products here. So you can see now for moving on to the card, this card symbol, you'll have to, like, the upper right corner, you can see the card symbol. Just open your cart and select the payment method that you want to choose. So whether you want to choose it online, cash on delivery, Paytm. So suppose I have selected cash on delivery. So here it will give all the breakups and everything, the product charges, shipping charges, COD charges and everything. So this way you just have to proceed here. So if you are ordering something for yourself, you just have to put here in the rupee this placeholder the exact amount which is already there on the screen for this item. So for this case it is 1184. You just put it over here. Since you are ordering for yourself, the margin will be 0. So just close it and proceed. Here you will be able to just put your address over here and proceed again and place the order. So once you click on place order, it will directly place the order for you, and this way you will this will place the order for you. And when the delivery person comes, you'll have to pay by COD, GPay. Like, you can pay either by cash or GPay or card, anything. So this way you'll be able to place your order. Now if you want to search any item on Meesho, you just have to do this thing, this search symbol, open it here. And since I have a keyword already present over here, you have to put your product ID over here this way, and you will be able to search that item, see that item in your results. So here you can see what the results has come out, and you can select the product and proceed the same way. There's also one more option for you to search the item is here again. If you click on this magnifying glass symbol, so you have to, instead of putting the keyword or the product ID, you have to click on the camera icon. Here you have to upload the picture of the product that you want to see, and it will give you all the results from all the sellers which are available on Meesho for this particular item. If the item is not available, it will give you similar kind of results, the products which are actually similar to the product that you are searching for. So this is how Meesho works. So make sure if you are ordering like from different sellers, you won't be able to do so in one go. So if you like any item, like you have some other item in your cart, and if you like this top also, what you have to do, select the top. Here you will see a share wala symbol. Just click on this share wala symbol and download it. So it will put this product in your wish list. So wish list is the heart wala symbol that you see over here on the upper right corner. Go to like select that wish list wala symbol, and here you will be able to see in the shared column all the products that you have wish listed. So this way you will be able to keep the item in your wish list, and you will be able to order it one by one if they are from multiple sellers. So this is how you use Meesho, and this is the best possible way that I found to use Meesho, because it doesn't allow you to order from multiple sellers in one go. So this is how you will be able to save the product that you like. So that was all about this video. So I guess by now you would have known like how to place an order from Meesho. And yeah, let me tell you my experience, how it was with the customer care of Meesho. So I had one item that I wanted to purchase, and somehow I made the I was not doing the COD. I was trying to make the payment, and the payment was done. The amount got deducted from my account, and then somehow the order was not placed. After a day, I tried like calling Meesho helpline, and to my surprise, it was not like most of the customer cares where we try to place like place a complaint like we are facing some trouble or something. So most of the sites have like more than 5 minutes waiting time, but for to my surprise, Meesho did not have any of such thing. My call was answered within 2 minutes, and the customer care the executive was very nice. They provided me a solution. They asked me to wait for 5 days. If it doesn't come back, then ask me to call them back again. And within 4 days, my the amount got refunded back to my account. So everything was very nice. So Meesho has different order like payment mode. So you can like place it online, you can do COD, and there are multiple options that you can check it out. So that was all about Meesho. So far my experience was very nice, so I am sharing it with you. And yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video, and please share it with your friends. This will be very helpful. And then see you soon. Bye.